When you have equipment like this, you have to have a grease gun and the right grease tools to make sure you maintain these things. Now I have a grease gun, I have some grease fittings, but this company sent me this set out here. I want to thank them because I use these grease things all the time. And this is just a little kit that goes on the end of your grease gun so you can grease all kinds of areas. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this one attached, and it's designed to lock on, which I really like these locking ones. You squeeze this, that comes out and locks right onto the zerk fitting. This kit even includes a few spare zerk fittings for you. So basically it goes on like so, locks in, and then that stays on there while you're applying the grease. So pretty easy to use. I got my other one off. We'll go ahead and screw this on, and this fits pretty much all of your standard grease guns. Now what else comes in this kit is this number here. So if you have to get into a tight area or corner, and you could squeeze this, go right up inside there, lock that on, and now you have a corner fitting that you can get in much tighter areas. So definitely a great set. Even has a hose here if you need a hose to add on to your gun to replace it, and a few other accessories, including some other things that are important here is these needle greasers. And these things here are just a little needle with a zerk fitting made to it. Pop that in there, and now you can apply grease in some really tight areas, in behind seals and stuff like that. These things are very, very handy. That's the small one. Here's a bigger one here, but just another great tool. Now, as far as using this, it's very easy. I see I got this all on here ready to go. I'm just going to squeeze these, slide it onto my zerk fitting, locks in place. I don't have to hold it. Now I can use both my hands to pump the grease gun and to get the grease in there, it needs to get in. And once we get the right amount of grease in there, we start to see it come out, we are good. And then we can go ahead and release that, and we are good to go. You can see the grease there started to come out. So if you're trying to maintain equipment like this, you've got to have a grease gun, and these lock-on grease couplers are just fantastic. Now, like I said, these guys were nice enough to send this out to me with that kit, and I want to thank them for that. I really appreciate it. So hopefully this short video helps you out and you can determine whether or not this is right for you. But if you click that order button, now you know what you're going to get.